and welcome back to the Paarl, everyone. Right now I am on my way to dinner with some Japanese friends of mine to a Korean restaurant. So this video you will get to see some different kinds of Korean food. So let's go and enjoy some delicious food.
いいですね。中3まで食べれたんですよ。
ああ、途中から。
赤い店食べ過ぎてダメだ。
それで歩いてなんだっ
What's
け
this?
キムチ。
Oh, kimchi.
なんで突然ダメなの？
そうですね、急に。
ミンチチキン、ミンチチキン。
ローシュリンプ。
イエーイ。
First in my life, eh?
生で食べない。
Not bad, not bad.
Your experience
Yeah,
in Japan?
not bad at all.
バックコリアン風。
じゃあ辛口のお
ありがとうござい
で
ます。
もしちょっとタレ辛いようだったらこちら甘口のなんで使ってください。
はい。
Nice.
Nice. You like it?
Yeah, it was good. And this is soy sauce, right?
Yeah.
Please review. Please review. Review. Review, please.
It was very soft, not too spicy, and I could taste a strong flavor of soy sauce with it. Yes.
Yeah.
How about you? What was it like for you?
ありがとうございます。
Same.
You have to expose.
Yeah.
Soft.
これみんな前箸でやるんですか？
Fresh.
取り分けらすとか。
そうですね。
Yeah,
一
yeah,
応
yeah.
お玉で。
お玉が、お玉
まあ
だと。
はいちょっと同じ箸でしたらあるんですけど。
ああ、それでもいいんで。
大丈夫です
も楽に。
はい
Feel the flavor of the garlic. Garlic. Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic.
Garlic.
I didn't taste the garlic flavor. So your experience is a little different from mine.
Right.
So very interesting. Thank you for exploring.
Okay, nice reaction. Thank you.
Nice videographer. What is he doing?
He is making a dumpling.
Let me see. Let me see.
ミンチ出して。
Wow. Maybe when I go home, I'm gonna have to try to make a Korean hot pot.
You can do that with a pot.
Yeah.
お鍋の火加減とスープの管理は僕たちの方でやるので気にしなくて大丈夫です。お鍋にもニンニク入れて大丈夫ですか？はい、わかりました。ニンニクちょっとお預かりしてもらっていいですか？すいません、ありがとうございます。失礼します。
Thank you.
お鍋の方なんですけれども、鶏肉とつくねとじゃがいも、こちらはあと3分ほど待ってから召し上がってください。ネギへの火トッポギも召し上がれるので召し上がってください。トッポギとじゃがいもがまだ入ってないんですけど、両方とも入れちゃって大丈夫ですか？
はい。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. So we some scallion. You said garlic and kimchi.
キムチはあれですよね。
でそのまま食べて。
And what's this now?
角的と
Potato.
角的と大根じゃあ白菜キム
そうですね、お鍋用にもちゃんとキムチがあるので、赤いキムチはお鍋には入れずに召し上がってください。
落とし
チ。それのそのまま食べてたり。鶏皿もらう？食べにくくない？大丈夫？
お願いします。
Korean rice cake.
はい。
です。餅？コリアン餅？
Mm.
すみません、お待たせしました。どうぞ召し上がってください。
How long does this need to be cooked for?
I don't know. 何時間どれぐらい時間かかる？
すぐじゃない？
すぐmaybe.
Okay, you usually come
も
here.
う食べてもいい。
He said this is his favorite restaurant, so he should
あ
know.
ともうちょっと待ってから
お肉だけ
はい、
はい
お野菜はもう大丈夫です。
はい。
はい。
One thing I realized as well that like in Japan they actually eat like the potatoes kind of firm. they're not very soft, because in Jamaica when we boil potatoes they get very soft, but here in Japan they have like a firm texture.
Really?
Yeah, most times even when I eat like school lunch I realize it as well.
I eat soft potatoes at my home.
When you cook it?
When my family cook it.
Oh, I have never eaten it.
Really?
It's not that soft. No.
悩むやろ、そう悩んでます
Go Yuya, go Yuya. You can figure it out.
高級いつの手にあここでこう
正解
difficult
Good job, Yuya.
good job
That's your review?
review
Yeah.
review do I suit
Yeah, it matches your pants and your t-shirt. Yeah, you're looking very good, Yuya.
black code
Yeah,
Oh my
black
God.
coordinated. Just look at that. All your shoes, black and white. Yeah, and down to your socks is even coordinated. Yeah, you're good to go, Yuya.
Okay.
You're looking good.
thank you
シャンさん。
This one?
これはね、そっちのそれはねとりあえずまず
Which one?
No, small white plate.
And what's in the small white plate?
とりあえずこれを
The sauce for this
What?
white dumpling. Chicken dumpling.
Okay.
first time
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
ちょっとしてからですよと
はい。いただきます。
Itadakimasu. I have a fellow Jamaican right here. She lived in Jamaica for. Oh, one more time.
Wagwan Jamaican people.
You know Wagwan, right?
please translate
Hello, what's up? Yeah, what are you? I can't believe you're a real G. Yeah, G. This is Korean rice dumpling and the chicken and the scallion and some mushrooms right here. In Jamaica, we usually make dumplings from flour. What's the name for flour again in Japanese? Flour.
Flour.
Yeah.
小麦粉?
Yeah. Yeah, so we don't really use rice.
So you eat boiled dumpling.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's similar to the boiled dumpling shape.
Yeah, the long ones. When we're making soup, we usually make the long ones, but like if we're eating like curry or something like that, then it's more round.
Yes.
Yeah.
なんか
next
それそうそうそうすだねそれ
finally
手順通りに作ってる。
少なくない
全然。ちょっと浸すぐらいなの。
バッテリー
多分もうちょっ
相撲もうちょっと
もうちょっ
I'm going to have to try a hot pot when I get home though.
醤油
醤油
って書いてない
書いてないですねあ醤油書いてある
赤いやつこんな感じいいんじゃない
OK First,
Thank you, Yuya.
no problem.
Chef Yuya.
Go
Big
ahead.
chef.
Yeah.
Big chef.
Delicious, right?
Maybe.
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 You made my sauce.
Trust
not
me.
you.
Trust me.
Okay, I trust you. It's a fresh sauce. favorite Jamaican food, by the way? Plantains?
I always say lobster. But
Lobster.
people say it's not Jamaican food. Everybody loves lobster. So I like fried festival.
Really?
I like festival. I like Akin saltfish. I like oxtail stew. Fried plantain, both salty and ripe one. I like many Jamaican food. I like to get the jack chicken at Red Hill Road. I have my favorite jack chicken man over there.
こっちしてくれる。
ああ、追加します。
And I have my favorite jack chicken man also in front of the US Embassy.
Mm-hmm.
I like Chinese restaurant in Jamaica too. We often enjoy dim sum in Sunday brunch. And
There's some popular Chinese restaurants in New Kingston as well, but I can't remember the name right now. But I usually buy from there. Like when you're walking down to KFC.
walking down. Oh, there's some several Chinese restaurants.
Yeah.
I like China Max.
It's not China Max.
China Max close to North Sovereign, between North Sovereign and Sovereign. I like my favorite Chinese restaurant, China Max in Bigane.
Do you like the Chinese sweet and sour chicken?
Yeah,
It's
Jamaican
different from here,
style.
right?
Yeah, very, very different. Fried rice is different too.
Yeah.
Fried rice, which Jamaican people eat in Jamaica at the Chinese restaurant, is black. Yeah, look
What?
black.
Yeah.
Why? Why?
I think it's a type of soy sauce. And I think our soy sauce is maybe less salty as well, because recently I used some soy sauce to make some fried rice, and I'm telling you, I was dying from salt.
Really?
Yeah.
But I think Japanese food contains a lot of salt, because after I eat Japanese food in Jamaica, I become so. I forgot. 喉が渇く?
Sore throat.
Yeah, sore throat, and I drink a lot of water. I need a lot of water after eating Japanese dishes in Jamaica. Now I live in Japan and I get used to Japanese food, so I don't feel any difference.
That's nice.
肉はまだ。
肉は
肉以外は大丈夫。
なら
I like KFC,
Which chicken?
popcorn chicken.
You like popcorn chicken? You don't like the barbecue chicken?
I don't eat barbecue chicken a lot.
But do you like it? It's far different from KFC in Japan, right?
Yeah, but it tastes very good.
Yeah.
Japanese KFC must have it.
Do you like KFC, Aoki?
Yes, yes, of course.
Have you ever eaten the Jamaican KFC when you went to Jamaica?
I don't.
What?
Different?
Yeah, it's slightly different.
Original chicken is same taste.
Yeah, same taste. But like they have the Tell them
バーベキュー
about
チキ
it.
ンっていう味のチキンがあって、それがなんかジャマイカにしかないみたいで、めっちゃ美味しい。
どういう味なの？
そういう like sweet and spicy, sweet and hot.
And it's like here in Japan, like KFC is more like a seasonal thing, like even for the red hot chicken. But in Jamaica, you can get chicken, any type of chicken straight through the year. And then like you can get free refills of your soda anytime. Yeah. So I think that's why KFC in Jamaica is better. And even in Japan, when you have like the burger sandwiches are very small in Japan. In Jamaica, they're big, so good size. So you get a good amount for your money. And KFC here was also more expensive compared to Jamaica. Yeah.
I forgot to tell you that my favorite Jamaican food is fried bami.
Oh, you love bami?
Yeah, fried bami and fried breadfruit and fried fish, escovitch fish, and steamed fish.
What is that?
Bami, what is bami?
Do you know cassava?
Cassava, cassava,
Cassava.
Cassava?
cassava. I don't know how to make it.
Me too. But cassava is almost like burdock root. Gobo, 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 gobo.
Gobo,
Yeah. So cassava is almost like gobo. So you have to pull it out the ground, and it has a long root, just the same. Then you have to process it. But if you don't process it, it can be toxic, poisonous. Yeah. So you have to process it carefully, and then like turn it in powder and make the bami. Yeah.
なんて言ったらいいの？バミ is kind of cake.
Yeah.
餅
Show him a picture.
I don't have bami picture.
Well, just Google it and show
Fried
it to him.
bami. Fried bami.
Yeah, and show him like bami and escovitch fish. That sounds like you went to Barda. Barda,
Border.
St. Elizabeth. When you're going to Westmoreland, they call it Barda.
I have never been there.
You have been. If
Really?
you're going to Westmoreland from Kingston, and you drive from like Spurtree Hill, right? Mandeville, Spurtree Hill. So anytime you're going to Westmoreland, you have to pass through Barda. Barda is St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. It's just the border. It's just the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. They just call it Barda.
Border.
Yeah. So that's where they sell a lot of bami and fish on the roadside.
Really?
Yeah.
I've never tried it before.
Really? Where did you eat bami?
In the restaurant in Kingston.
Wow.
水分ぐらいはい、4人前入れてください。
いやいや
雑炊で調整します。
ありがとうございますこちらが3分ほどで食べれるようになります、このまま食べても美味しいですし、
はい
特製ダレにつけても美味しいので、
はい
簡単で召し上がってください、
はい。
空いてるグラスお預かりしちゃいますね、
はい。
Okay, you introduced us to this restaurant. Why?
Pardon me?
Why did you introduce us to this restaurant?
Why introduce?
Yeah.
I like this food.
What, the hot pot?
I went to Korea with my family. First, I ate takamari first time, and came back to Japan. I found this restaurant.
Ah, interesting.
Yes.
Thank you.
韓国にあるんです
韓国が当然メインで、
あなるほど
そう韓国にタッカンマリ通りっていうのがあって、
そうなんです
トンデムです。
そうそこで入ったらうまかって、
へえ
日本ってあんまりないんだよねタッカンマリの店。
ないですね。
そう
新大久保でもなんか
だ
行く店1個しかない。
チーズタッカルビとか他のは食べたことあったんだけど、タッカンマリ食べたことなくて、ここ安くて美味しいんで。
Is this your first time eating the, I forgot what,
あんまり。
タッカンマリ。
takamari, Yuya? This is your first time?
Yes first time
So what do you think about the chicken? Review.
Review Review レビュー Good taste レビュー鍋のレビューって難しい
Too spicy?
Not spicy. A little spicy. And it's very healthy because a lot of vegetables we can eat. Yes, it's very healthy. And we can eat a lot of protein. Yes, chicken is good protein.
This reminds me of when I was doing class with you.
Yes, nice, good quality. Yes.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. And what's your review?
This restaurant tastes so good. I'm very full.
Really?
Yeah.
You're not waiting for the okuya?
Okayu?
Okayu?
I'm waiting for it.
それもいけるよね
The
You didn't want your kimchi? Ooh.
これ使ってないです。これから
はいこれもここにあるんで大丈夫です This is
コリアン
カルクスジャパニーズうどん
大丈夫飛んでない
ジャパニーズネームイズうどん
うどんヌードル
使ってない。Hi. Okay, let's eat.
Alright.
カルクス
Kalkus noodles.
Yes
Okay.
Good name
Kalkus noodles.
Like udon
Well, like udon.
Like udon
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to find a picture of udon. Now we have rice porridge.
これは好きです
よかったら召し上がってみてください。この丸々1個使ったかき氷をはい韓国スタート
食べてから考えます
はい
そうですよお腹いっぱいな
この後卵入れるので
はい
We're gonna put egg in it?
Can you eat egg?
Of course. Of course. I'm a chicken fan. And some egg is in it.
この方で取り分けてしまって大丈夫ですか？
Alright.
はい
That's done cooking.
楽しいですか？
So quick. That was fast.
こちらが雑炊用の
はいありがとうございます
します。
Thank you.
Last year I missed sorrel so much. So,
They don't even know what sorrel.
no, last year, but
花の
Seaweed. So rice and egg porridge. Rice and egg porridge. More like soup still.
yeah, chicken soup, chicken
Seaweed.
flavored soup. But you really can make this chicken pot in Jamaica.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, you have this kind of pot and you get whole chicken.
This.
Okay.
Review that. So I am eating some rice.
Yeah.
Rice and egg porridge. Yeah. I don't know how to describe the flavor.
Do you like it?
It's okay. It's edible. But I don't know how to describe the flavor.
Salty.
Not really. This one tastes a little fresh. But you can taste the egg flavor, but I can't describe it. How would you describe this?
なんて言ったらいいの？醤油味か。
でも基本はチキン
チキンフレーバー。
とベジタブル
Maybe vegetable.
チキンオイルなんか油の
Yeah, it does have a little oil because you can see the grease on the top. So you are right. You
ネギ
delicious.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
So so.
It's okay.
Um,
I think this sauce and the chicken is like more delicious compared to this. I think this is more flavor compared to this one because I can't pinpoint a specific flavor to this. So I don't know how to describe it.
I think Asian people get used to this kind of flavor, but Jamaican people get used to more spicy.
Yeah.
Something spicy like this.
Maybe that's why I gravitated to this one.
So that's why we feel the flavor from this, but you didn't.
Yeah. Oh, it's more ricey. Ricey flavor.
Ricey flavor.
Yeah,
rice flavor.
Yeah. everybody know how rice tastes, so ricey flavor.
Yeah.
Best way to describe it. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
See, it's complete. I did a good job.
はい
皮の方が大変薄くなってるんですけど、
はい
皮のギリギリまで食べれるので、
はい
こちらまでやってください。
変わった水がない
種の方も食べることができるので、
種も食べれるのすごい
種
じゃあ
シーこれどれぐらいの大きさですか？この季節のハッピーパス。
1人前ですと、実際に入れ物をお持ちしましょうか。
結構大きい食後にしたら大きいか
季節のトッピングすると、
これはハーフしかないから
これハーフだけですよね
そうですね。結構ボリュームがあるかな。
これでもボリュームある。
そうですね。ピーチが丸々1個。
そう
これにしようかな。これハーフ。
これ3つじゃんこれ3つとこれどうする
マンゴーハーフ or
ちょっとじゃあ
Tell me which one of those bowls. Which one?
フルハーフ
We can get a big one. So if any of you want some of my mango, you can get some mango. Get some mango in your life.
じゃあマンゴー1人前。
おー。
Yeah.
とこれを3つ
はい、ありがとうございます。
Mango is delicious.
I love mango.
Yeah, so if you want some, you can have some.
Very very expensive though.
Yeah.
Here.
種食べれるって
And watermelon is very expensive here too.
Yeah, but I love buying it. It's sweet.
Do you buy it here?
Yeah, a lot.
硬い
You know what I wanted to try before I left was some persimmon. I wanted to try some more of that
You
before I
have
went
never
home. I have, but I look forward to eating it every season.
You like? Wow.
Massive.
桃の中にソースが入ってるので、フォークとナイフ使って切ってもらって、はい、こちらの白い方に、桃を取っていただいて。
That makes me wonder about my mango ice cream. Because if this is the medium, that's huge.
やば
この後マンゴー
Whoa! Whoa!
あ、マンゴーですね。あ、ピーチ。
These peaches are huge.
すごい
ビーグ。
すごい
It's a good thing you had your plate right there. It just fell right in.
Yes. Yes.
You cut yours, let me catch yours.
難しいこいつ。
Hopefully it drops in his plate.
Let's cut. And open.
Yeah.
あれ。オープンイエーイ。
おー、綺麗にいった
すご
ね。
いすごい
すごい映える感じでちゃんとクリームソースが中にいって映えてますね。
Cookie.
あ、やばい逃げた
失礼します。マンゴーのパンピンです。
Ooh,
はい。
it's beautiful.
イエーイすごいっすね
ありがとうございます。そんな感じで、それで、はい、食べやすくして
いただきます
はいいただきます
ありがとうございます
Thank
丸
you.
ごとじゃん
でかいな。
How am I the only one with mango? Maybe because the blue color is more popular. I don't know. So this is the shaved ice.
In Hawaii, rainbow ice
食べたこと見たことないですよ。でも多分同じようなやつだと思う。
You eating peach ice cream?
成分から
Peach ice cream? Peach shaved ice?
Yeah, peach. It's milk flavor. And peach is on the top.
This is new. You're eating shaved ice with a knife and fork.
You can make it in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Cut out mango.
I think these things are like the easiest set of things to try, but these mangoes have to be very, like the sweet ones, it needs to be more ripe. How you enjoy
Yeah.
peach
Peach.
kakigori?